Hello friends, this is Douglas. I have a question for you. When was the last time you did something just for you? You see, specifically, I'm addressing a very important need that often goes unfulfilled in our society, and that's personal needs. Are your personal needs being fulfilled? Whether it's pursuing a forgotten passion, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying the moment of solitude, your personal needs matter. And remember, it's important. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary. So let's make a promise to ourselves to seek fulfillment every day, because when our needs are adequately met and we are filled to overflowing, we have so much more that we can freely share with those we love and care about. So why don't you go ahead now and let's grab a safe and familiar aroma. You know how we do it. And if you would just go ahead and take a deep cleansing breath in with aroma, and then breathe and speak these words. I matter, and so do my needs. Nice deep breath in. I can choose to fulfill my needs anytime I so desire. Nice deep breath in. I make time for myself, and I am a priority of self-care in my life. And let's do one more. Nice deep breath in. I am safe, strong, loved, and provided for. Yes, you are safe. Friends, if this resonates with you in any way, please share these little 2-minute messages with somebody you respect and care about. And I'll see you next time. Hey, thanks so much. This is Douglas. Talk to you later.